Want to create a website in just one line of code? Let's do it. Fast and fun. Open up your terminal and type python-m http.server. Boom, you've just created a web server with Python. No frameworks, no setup, just one command. You can use this for testing HTML projects, sharing files over your local network, or simply showing off your mini website ideas. Now open your browser and go to this address. It works, but let's make it cooler. I'm adding a simple HTML file. It says hello world and even includes a button that shows an alert when clicked. This is basic HTML in action. But the best part is it's live. Your browser reads the file from the Python server and displays it instantly. And yes, we can also add some style. I dropped in a CSS file to make things look a bit nicer. We've got centered text, a soft background color, and a button that smoothly changes color when you hover over it. It's minimal, clean, and shows how you can easily style your pages, even in this simple setup. Just save the files and refresh your browser. Everything updates right away, like magic. You're not just serving files, you're creating a real web experience. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more cool tricks like this, check out the full playlist on the channel. There's so much more coming your way, and I'll see you in the next one.